Hello guys, this is Krishna. Today I'm going to introduce our non-profitable organization Leanex CS Stuff. Well, basically Leanex CS Stuff is a non-profitable organization where you'll find free computer science courses, ebooks, explanation videos and so much for absolutely free. You will find a lot of trending technology courses like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, IoT, data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, Android development, DevOps, blockchain technology, computer vision, full stack development, automation, and so much for absolutely free. Without costing any money, because what our perception is, education should be free for all. Well, these are some videos we made. The first video was Huawei announced a robotic dog with AI technology, and the second video was how you can get a free digital marketing certificate from Google. We also reviewed the course of Google Digital Garage,